As a result of sustained socio-economic progress, Bhutan has graduated from low-income status according to the World Bank classification in 2008 and has maintained low middle-income status since then and has been found eligible for graduation from the least developed countries category of the United Nations by 2023. The guideline for preparations of the 12 5-year plan highlights the importance of CCC: coordination, consolidation, and cooperation. The CCC framework is about mobilizing collaborative efforts between public and private sector, communities, civil society, and academia in order to enhance the country's development in various aspects, including the development at community level. It has therefore become critical for Bhutan to consolidate the achievements made and address the challenges of eradicating poverty, reducing inequality, and addressing the needs of vulnerable groups.
We know we live in a society where we want to protect the most vulnerable in society. If we truly wish to protect and support and make sustainable the lives of the most vulnerable, we need to know where and how to help them to best effect. Again, it's going to be statistics that will help us in that regard.
Bhutan needs to consolidate the existing efforts to ensure availability of accurate and timely data for effective evidence-based decision-making and reporting. The National Statistics Bureau is the main statistical agency and custodian of all official statistics.
The National Statistics Bureau conducted the first economic census of Bhutan in 2018 with financial and technical support from the World Bank. The main objective of the census was to collect data on the establishments engaged in economic activity in the country.
The World Bank has been supporting the National Statistics Bureau to undertake the Bhutan Living Standards Survey, which is a household survey and serves as the primary data source for poverty estimates, and to conduct the country's very first economic census with the primary objective to improve the quality and the availability of basic economic statistics. The first economic census of Bhutan was conducted by 80 enumerators supervised by the Dzongkhag Statistical Officer and the staff of the National Statistics Bureau over a period of 2.5 months from December 2018 to February 2019. The World Bank survey solution facilitated a computer-assisted personal interview system for the census.
This is the very first economic census to be conducted in the country. And that implies many new fields to be explored in terms of methodology and operations and analysis. And fortunately, a group of very dedicated and capable staff are assigned to the census project.
Through this census, we have gathered information on the profile of the establishments in terms of their investment, income, expenditure, production, employment, ownership, and challenges, among other things.
I'd like to thank the Royal Government of Bhutan in general, and also NSB in particular. And also I'd like to thank other development partners such as UN, and for the very good collaboration for the last couple of years. So it's been a long way to come to complete this economic census. This is very important initiative, not only because of the economic census, but also to improve Bhutan's statistics and data system in particular. And needless to say, the quality data and the statistics are key ingredient for the informed evidence-based policy making. So in that sense, and we are very happy to see that the quality and availability of data has been significantly increased.
It is our sincere hope that the information published in the report will be useful to our policymakers, planners, researchers, entrepreneurs, and the development partners. We plan to have the economic census every 10 years, and our immediate focus will be to validate and undertake in-depth analysis of the data collected and published thematic reports.